Good morning, Forrest.
Good morning.
What's today?
Christmas.
It's Christmas?
Mm-hmm.
What are you eating?
Yes.
Is that a cookie?
Mm-hmm.
Where's that cookie from?
The house.
Who left it behind?
I don't know. I don't know.
Did you leave it for Santa?
Mm-hmm.
And he bit a little bit and he left it for you?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. So what did you find in your room this morning?
My present.
You had a present?
The almost thing.
Under your tree?
No. It's under my kitchen.
Oh, it's on your kitchen?
Mm-hmm.
You happy for today?
Hmm?
Did you look at the tree? Did Santa leave anything?
No.
The big tree. Let's go look. Whoa! Those are new. Oh, wait. Look at that big one over there. I know, I can't open them without Mommy. You think you can sing a song real fast since it's Christmas?
No.
You're not going to even sing Jingle Bells? Okay, we'll say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Love you.
Love you.